Sredi septembra je na povabilo župnije Vrhnika Slovenijo prvič obiskala Patricia Sandoval, katoličanka iz ZDA, trenutno svetovno najbolj iskana pričevalka za zaščito nerojenega življenja.
I had a happy childhood, but then my parents had a divorce. And what really marked my life as a child was the education I received from the abortion industry. When I was in the 6th grade, I was 12 years old. So at home, I never had any type of formation on sexuality. And the formation I received on sex was from an abortionist. So they came to my 6th grade class and they taught us that abortion was a woman's right. It was her body and it was her choice. And I remember they taught the young men in my class that if their partner was ever pregnant and in a crisis and she decides to have an abortion, it's her body, her choice, and he has no voice and he has no right. I lost my innocence before marriage. I was pregnant and I was terrified because I believed that a baby destroyed your dreams. I was 19 years old. I was a straight-A student and I had goals for my life because society tells women this. If you're not traveling, if you're not, working for a business, if you're not some type of entrepreneur, you're doing nothing with your life. My boyfriend was very excited I was pregnant and he gave me his love and his support. But then I lied to him. I decided to have an abortion because I was feeling pressured by my friends. They were telling me I was making the worst mistake of my life because it wasn't the time. A lot of women have abortions because they're scared. They really never told me the consequences of that abortion. They never told me what I would suffer mentally, emotionally, and the damage I would have in my body. And when I had that abortion, I started to feel very heavy symptoms. I started to feel depression, anxiety. I would have nightmares. I started to have eating disorders, and I never connected it to my abortion because I didn't know what post-abortion syndrome was.